Hi, I'm Grant, and you know what? I'm just gonna come to it right now. I was kinda glad that this GameStop thing was over. The stock market was plummeting because nobody knew what was going on anymore. Everyone wanted to pull out of their investments and jump into GameStop because it had mooned all the way up to $500. And honestly, I don't have it in me, man, to invest in GameStop. I invested in GameStop at $369 for the memes, and I pulled out at like $370. I do not have the mental capacity to be investing in GameStop. Anyway, welcome to my video. Here's my thoughts on GameStop the Moon, where it's gonna go, and here we go again. So as you can see from this chart, GameStop actually got pretty solid in the $40 range. You know, it held $40, $45, $46 pretty much all day today. And then 11 o'clock happened, and it was pretty much rockets from there. We landed all the way at $180 at 1:50 p.m. We dropped, but honestly, I don't think this is it. I don't think this is the end. I think we're going to wake up tomorrow. We're going to see a correction. We're going to see, like, it go down. And then it's probably going to moon again. And I'm probably going to be like, dang, I really should have invested at X price. But X price just seems way too high to me. And then it's going to rocket off to some unholy number. And then I'm going to think, dang, I should have invested at that price. And that's pretty much what happened the last time GameStop mooned. But again, I was in GameStop at one point. It went up and down and up and down. I wanted to throw up. Like, this is a risky stock to someone like me, who I've been investing before the GameStop incident. Like, this is risky. This is like everything that you put in could be gone in an instant. Kind of risky. And I just don't have it in me to invest in this thing. Power to the players, to the people that do. I wish you lots of tendies, but I just don't. I don't have it. I don't have it. So my GameStop price target this time, I don't think it's going to hit 500 again. I could be entirely wrong about this. This is in meme territory. I think the price target's somewhere going to... I think it's going to be somewhere around $300 to the $400. I sincerely don't see it hitting 500 again, but if it does, like... It would require national headlines on the same scale to reach $500 again, and I just don't think that. I think it's old news, just straight up. I see $300 within reason, but this is GameStop territory, so it could literally go anywhere between where it is now and 300 to 400, in my opinion. I don't think 500 is realistic. I think that if you're at the 300 or 400 level, you start taking profits. But this is not financial advice. This is the furthest thing from financial advice that anything could possibly be in my channel. And clearly, it's hard to say that when people have literally tripled their money or more in 3 hours. Personally, I'm staying away from GameStop. I'm not touching this stock. I'm not buying the $1,500 options. If you can and you have that kind of risk tolerance and you're the kind of guy that is willing to risk it all, well, that's on you, buddy. I want nothing to do with it. Honestly, I'm just surprised this is happening again. Like, what's Robinhood gonna do now? Is Robinhood gonna restrict trading again? Is Melvin Capital going to be in cahoots with Citadel and restrict trading? What's gonna happen? Because they're already in such a hole from last time, and they're just now digging themselves out of it, that if they got involved again, and they restricted trading, dude, this is going to be bad. This is going to be bad for a lot of people. Oh, man. This is scary. Oh, no. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Anyway, I feel like tomorrow at market, I may live stream, just because GameStop is so fun to me. I like seeing, like, oh man, I could have gotten into here and gotten out of here, or I could have gotten into here and gotten out of here, and that still would have been great. It's so fun to see the Wall Street bettors win, and I've been in Wall Street Bet since way before GameStop. I was in since like 2 million members, but just seeing this happen again is bringing back such good memories and such bad memories of me watching GameStop go up and me not being a part of it. And then as soon as I'm a part of it, it starts to dip, and it's like... Oh, jeez. I want this to be done. I hope this doesn't affect the stock market. I mean, specifically, I hope crypto does well again, because I'm still heavily invested in crypto, and I don't know what crypto's going to do right now if GameStop moons for, like, days. I hope Bitcoin goes back to its former glory, because unfortunately, like I said in my last video, I bought in at 56,000. In my last video, I said that I expected the S&P to recover today, and it did. It came back to 391. which is above what I invested in, so I pulled out. And yeah, no, dude, GameStop could really crash the markets. I really hope that doesn't happen again. Anyway, so yeah, no, this is happening again. We are on this ride, and it will not stop. I'm scared. I don't want this to happen again. I don't want to be thinking it all the time. Man, I should invest in GameStop. I should invest in GameStop and watching it moon. And watching all of my other stocks drop because of this. And it's like, ugh. Anyway, that's why I'm glad GameStop is mooning. But I'm also really unglad that GameStop is mooning. I'm really mixed on this, if you can't tell. But that's where I stand with GameStop. If you liked this video or got some kind of value in it somehow, be sure to hit the like button. And also invest in the subscribe button because it's guaranteed to increase in value over time. And last but not least, do not forget to get your free stock with Robinhood, which is an investment platform that I'm on right now. And it can get you your stocks in literally the easiest way possible. It is 100% free to make trades, buy options. Well, I mean, aside from the price of the options, of course. Buy crypto, put money in, take money out. It's all free. So get your free stock and good luck out there. Power to the players.